Okay, everybody, just going to show you a way to reduce ratios, which are really just fractions, to lowest terms, okay? So say we have 3 over 18 here, okay? So this will be kind of a simple one, so that doesn't look really good. So we find a number that goes into both of these equally. So say we look at it and a number other than 1. So we say, okay, let's try 3. So 3, we just do that. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So we cross that out. And now we have 1 over 6. And there's no number other than 1 that goes into both of those numbers. Okay? So if we look at this second one, and if we say, what number do both of these numbers go into? Or what number goes into both of these numbers? So let's say and it doesn't matter which one you start off with. Say we want to start off with 2. Okay. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. 80 divided by 2 equals 40. So now we're down to 30 over 40. We could say, okay, what number goes into both of these numbers? Well, you could say 2 again. And let's just try that. We could keep going that way. Divided by 2, which will be 15 over 20, okay? And now we could say, okay, what number do both of these go into? And we could say that's 5. So divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. And now we're down to a number that nothing other than 1 will go into both of them. So just to show you how we can do this differently, but always you'll end up at the same spot. If I take 60 over 80 and say, well, a 10 goes into both of these, I'll divide by 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 80 divided by 10 is 8. Get rid of that. Now I can say which number goes into both of these evenly. Well, 2 would go into both of them, and that's the only number that I can see that goes into both of those numbers. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And we end up at the same place. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as you just keep finding a number that goes into both the numerator and the denominator equally, that's bigger than 1, you eventually get down to a spot where only 1 goes into both of them. That's it. Thanks.